Is it time to buy or sell fuboTV stock? In this video, we will explore fuboTV in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on the 7th of January, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of January, 2025, our system has categorized fuboTV as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our predictions, achieving a gain of approximately 8% since we first advised purchasing fuboTV just 2 days ago. This equates to an average return of nearly 4% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we find ourselves unable to ascertain the stock's next trajectory, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a wide and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the threshold of the current trend, which has been breached at $2.20, presenting a potential second opportunity for a significant gain. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 31.17% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from negative 68.96% to negative 47.21%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of negative 7.67% over the coming year, with a potential return between negative 85.28% and negative 7.67%. This results in a price range from 80 cents to $5.04 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for fuboTV includes the headline, Volatile Ride for fuboTV Stock Price on Tuesday, moving between $5.08 and $6.45. The fuboTV stock price gained 7.91% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, rising from $5.06 to $5.46. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it manages to continue this upward trend or take a slight break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 26.97% from a daily low of $5.08 to a daily high of $6.45. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 292.81% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 264 million shares, with a total of 377 million shares being traded for approximately $2.06 billion. It is important to consider that decreasing volume amid rising prices could indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the following days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $6.45, while the lowest price was $1.10. Currently, the price is 15.35% or 99 cents below the 52-week high and 91.23% or $56.83 below the all-time high reached on the 22nd of December, 2020, when the price hit $62.29. In a monumental shift within the streaming landscape, fuboTV has announced a significant deal with Disney that merges its operations with Hulu plus Live TV, effectively creating the second-largest digital cable provider in the United States. This agreement comes as Disney aims to enhance its position in the competitive streaming market, especially in the live sports sector, where fuboTV has established a strong presence. The implications of this merger are profound. Analysts are dubbing it a fairy tale outcome for fuboTV, as it not only leads to substantial cost savings, but also resolves ongoing litigation that had been a drag on its operations. With this deal, fuboTV can better compete against established players like YouTube TV and continues to capitalize on the growing popularity of live sports streaming. Since the news broke, fuboTV's stock has seen a dramatic surge, soaring over 250% on Monday alone, reflecting strong investor confidence in this new direction. In the short term, this merger is likely to fuel continued stock price momentum as market participants react positively to the consolidation and forecast potential growth in subscriber numbers. In the long term, the deal positions fuboTV for sustainable growth, bolstered by Disney's vast content library and synergistic capabilities, making it a formidable contender in the streaming space. This strategic alliance could also pave the way for further media consolidations, impacting the entire sector positively. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned FUBO an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, Seaport Global assigned FUBO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, Seaport Global assigned FUBO a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 5th of July, 2024, Wedbush assigned FUBO a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 5th of July, 2024, Needham also assigned FUBO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned fuboTV stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. For return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for fuboTV. The fuboTV stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During corrections downward, support can be expected at levels of $2.46 and $1.72. A breakdown below either of these levels could issue sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, December 30th, 2024, and so far, the stock has risen 336.8%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 3 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also presented a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages again resulted in a buy signal 3 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for fuboTV. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.06. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased as a drop below the support may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.37 between its high and low points, which represents approximately 26.97%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 24.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for fuboTV, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of February, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at negative 16 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for fuboTV. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, fuboTV encounters its first support level at $5.06. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for fuboTV from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of January in the year 2025, David Gandler executed an insider purchase of 1,300,402 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Edgar Bronfman Jr. also conducted an insider purchase of 1,300,402 shares of restricted stock units. On the 22nd day of December in the year 2024, John Jandis sold 52,756 shares of restricted stock units. On that same day, John Jandis bought 52,755 shares of common stock. Additionally, on December 22nd, John Jandis sold 26,932 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a positive insider power with a ratio of approximately 68.601. In total, insiders have acquired 13,382,119 shares, while selling 2,819,176 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.32, representing a decrease of 2.62%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a high level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over a 14-day period, stands at 94, further amplifying this risk. However, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is fuboTV stock a good buy? fuboTV shows several positive indicators. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting to either maintain or accumulate shares while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 8th of January, we anticipate fuboTV will open at 203 ten-thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $5.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to bear responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.